Yeah, hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see how to install Visual Studio Code. Okay, first you will download that one Visual Studio Code from the Google. So open the Google browser, Google Chrome and Google Portal. So here type that one Visual Studio Code download. This is the one. See the first one, so the Visual Studio Code. So click this one and you can choose that one. So based on that our OS actually, suppose if you are using that one Windows, so you can choose this one. And the Linux Ubuntu based so OS if you are using now, you can choose this one, and that this is the one for the Mac one. So we can choose this one Windows, and from here see so automatically there's a download is started. Let's see here. Yeah, so you can download this one like this one, but for me already I have downloaded, so the downloader one is available here, and this download here it is available. This is the same one, just now it's downloaded. Okay, so double click on this one, and here as usual, so every software it will ask to select that one. So agreement accept, right? So I accept the agreement. Click this one and click the next and click next. So yeah, so simple default options are enough. You can click next and next, finally install. So preparing to install. So the installation is started. It will take some time. Yeah, this is the one. See this one, the same version. Just now it's a downloader. Okay. It will not take much time. It's installing. Yeah, it's almost done. See, yeah, finished. So completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard, and the default option that launch Visual Studio Code option is selected. So once you click this finish button, so this Visual Studio Code it will be open. See, it's open. Yeah, this is the one. So this is the one. So this is that our Visual Studio ID. Okay. So here you can write that code. So this one. So Explorer, you can expand this Explorer. So this is the icon you can use to select this one. Suppose if you want to create that any new folder, you can click this one. So open the folder option. So click this one, and here you can create this one, that new folder. So new folder or demo folder, whatever it is, you can select this one and click the select folder. This is the folder. Yeah, this is the way you can open that in a new folder here, right? And in this, inside of this folder, just what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the new file. So the demo file or test file. So I'm going to create that one Python file. This is a test file. Okay, this is a test file, and here, so the test file is open. Here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this one. So I'm going to create that one. So simple statement, that's just a print statement here. So welcome to Python. Okay, save this one. Right. This is simple one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to run this Python file. Open this terminal. Just I'm going to create the new terminal. Yeah, this is the new terminal. And where we have this our file we are having in this path. Actually, this path, the demo. Okay, the demo. So what I want to do, I want to, okay, yeah, first I want to get into that my folder, the demo folder. So cd, why it is not coming, where it is. So let's see. So here, this is the one. Yeah. So inside of this gen a, I have created this demo folder. Inside of this gen a, I have created this demo folder. That's the reason the path was wrong. So yeah, and now the demo. Okay, you can confirm this one. Now we are in this path folder, the gen a demo folder. So inside of this one, we have this file. We can confirm physically, we can confirm it. This test.py, this is a Python file. This is a Python file is available. So come to this our Visual Studio Code, and in the terminal, I'm going to run it. Before this one, I'm going to check that one, the Python version. The Python version. This is the one already it's installed in my local machine. So it is showing this Python version. So I'm going to select this one, Python. What is it? Our file name, test.py. Yeah. So welcome to Python. This is the one is it's so running. The statement is printing that our value, string value. This is a print value. Okay. So suppose the first time if you are going to use that one, and actually in my system already the setup is already configured. That's the reason this Python is by default is available. Suppose first time if you are going to do that one means, so you have to install that extension. That extension you can get it from here, the Python extension. So if you want to do that one debugging and you want to do all the Python related library installation, if you want to do it now, you have to install this Python. Then only you can install that library files here. For the debugging purpose, you have to install this debug option. Okay, yeah. So this is the way actually we have to install this Visual Studio Code, and we can create this Python file. Suppose the Python library, if it is not supporting in this our Visual Studio, na, so you can install this all these libraries. Okay, so the library. So that for that one, what you have to do, you have to get into this extension. In the extension, you can see that one. So here you can search that one, whatever the extension you want to install, that extension name, you can search it here from this one. See, now it is showing this one install, uninstall, because it's already installed. It's already installed. Okay. Yeah. So that's all about this one. Thank you.